Picture this, a world free from overflowing landfills, where resources are used mindfully and efficiently. Welcome back to Future Trends, the series that takes you on a journey through the innovations shaping our world. This is Green Living, the segment where we delve into the best practices for a sustainable lifestyle. Today, we're zeroing in on a crucial aspect of sustainability, reducing waste in our homes. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Everyday life generates an astounding amount of waste. But what if we told you that with a few simple changes, you can significantly reduce this? Let's dive into some practical tips to help you kickstart this transformation. Single-use plastics are a big no-no. Instead, opt for reusable alternatives. High-quality containers, water bottles, and shopping bags can be your loyal companions for years, helping you cut down on plastic waste and save money. Composting is another waste warrior. Designate a compost bin for food scraps and yard waste. This not only enriches your soil, but also reduces the quantity of waste that ends up in landfills. Next, wave goodbye to harmful cleaning products. Embrace natural or DIY solutions that are gentle on the environment and reduce chemical exposure in your home. Buying in bulk or using refill stations for items like soap and detergents can also be a game changer. This strategy minimizes packaging waste and is often lighter on your wallet in the long run. Food waste is another area where we can make significant strides. By planning meals, storing food properly, and getting innovative with leftovers, you can cut down on food waste and save on your grocery bills. Remember, tactics like meal prepping and proper storage not only extend the life of your groceries, but also contribute to a well-organized kitchen. To wrap it up, reducing waste at home is all about making mindful choices. Each small step you take sets the stage for a more sustainable future. Thanks for tuning into Green Living on Future Trends. If you found these tips useful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your network, and drop a comment to tell us your favorite waste reduction tip. And don't forget to subscribe for more Green Living insights. Until next time, keep exploring the path to sustainable living.